I am officially done with these orders now, as you guys can see, and I'm going to be doing like a how I package and how I ship out orders, so just stay tuned for that video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hello, beautiful people. So today we're going to be talking about how to start a small business. So if you've been thinking about starting a small business, then this video is for you. This is actually my first pod vlog, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. So firstly, when you're thinking of starting a small business, you have to keep it to yourself. You don't need to tell anyone, because telling other people will bring you negative opinions and unwanted opinions. And I can vouch for this, because I will say I did not tell anybody about my small business until it was actually started, or until like I was about to start. Like I already had all my inventory, everything was ordered, because like I'm starting this regardless of what you think. It's not about you, it's about me. And that's why it's best to just keep some things to yourself until you actually start. So that's a big tip. And so number one, this is the first step to starting a small business. You have to do a lot of market research to figure out if your idea can turn into a successful business. Your initial research is crucial to the rest of the steps. So if you don't do your research, you're going to start lacking in the other areas. Number two, you have to come up with a business plan. Market analysis to understand the market. What are you trying to sell? Go ahead and look up the market and your niche. What is it? Are you trying to sell handbags like me, or are you trying to sell lip gloss? Go ahead, do your market research, look up everything, see how people are doing, see how much they're making, see how much things are costing them. This way you'll start to know, your cost and how much you're going to need to start and all of that. And once you come up with your business plan, you do your market analysis to understand the market. You need to know which services or products you're going to offer. You need to know which goals your business will have. And you guys can keep this all inside of a binder, because that's what I did with my business plan. I kept everything inside of a binder. It was just much easier for me to be organized and keep everything in one place. Number three, having the funds for your business ready. And how are you going to have the funds for your business ready if you didn't do that market analysis research, first of all? Because you need to know exactly how much you need. So that is step three, having your funds ready. Your business plan should help you know how much you need to start your type of business. If you don't have the money, go look for interest-free loan options or start a business within your budget, which is what I recommend. I don't really recommend the loan option, just because I feel like you should put your own money into this, and the loan route is, you have to go through a lot of requirements, and it's just really too much, versus if you go ahead and build up your business later on, you can go a loan route, like if you want to expand your business. But your initial start isn't going to cost that much anyway, so just save up $2,000, $4,000, depending on what kind of business you want to start. Is it a t-shirt pressing business, a handbag business? I initially put in around, I would say $7,000, including every single last business supplies that I got. Like I'm even including a laptop, brand new laptop and things like that, printer, just so much that I got, and loads of inventory, guys, because I didn't just start selling handbags. I started with handbags, shoes, some modest clothing, some jewelry, so many different things. So that's why my initial startup cost, and the thing is, I didn't really even have to spend that much. But sometimes when you're just you're just trying to figure out everything for yourself, you don't have anybody to guide you, you just kind of go for it, which is what I did, because nobody told me how much I should be investing onto my business. But anyways, I feel like me investing that, I ended up getting 25,000 times what I invested on it. So, it's all worth it in the end if you start correctly. I just wanted to, be professional in the beginning, have a professional website, invest on my website. I bought a customized theme. I was spending money on things that would help me grow my business and to initially not look like I'm a scam or my website looks like a scam or something. So that's what I did. Let's continue. So number 4, you need to choose if you want your business to be online or in store. I do online, which I really like. I would do in store. However, it's a lot more of a task to do an in-store business versus, starting online. However, in-store is a lot of foot traffic and you don't really have to do as much marketing because it's kind of more, foot traffic that you get versus online. An online store, you have to really master the art of marketing. And I'm going to do a video on like AI marketing and what is it and how to use it. Yeah, so I got you guys. I'm going to do like a marketing video on how to market your business effectively and low cost. So let me continue. So after you choose if you want your business to be online or in store, online is much more cost effective versus in store will cost you big money. Online can reach all 50 states and the whole world, while a store will only reach a local area. So that's something to keep in mind as well. I've shipped to, I want to say all 50 states at this point, and it's pretty awesome. Have I shipped to Hawaii? Yes, I have shipped to Hawaii. I remember I had my first Hawaii order and I was like, yay, all 50 states. But like, how cool is that your business will be like statewide known versus just being in one city and being known? Number 5, you have to start to choose a business structure. Are you going to be a sole proprietorship, which is like if you're by yourself? Are you going to be a partnership, you and one of your buddies? Are you going to be an LLC, limited liability company? Are you going to be a corporation, which is much bigger? Corporations are more like you're starting to have a lot of workers. Like you're already starting off big, which is less likely for small business owners to just start as a corporation. So you have to go ahead and do your research on those and see which one fits your business. Number 6, choose a business name. Do not rush this step because it will be the first thing people will associate your business with. Pick a clean name that can eventually scale into $1 million business. Pick a different name from other people. Stand out. Like when I chose Reinventing Glamour, it's completely different from like the basic small business boutique names out there, because like you might have heard glamour a lot, right? But you don't hear reinventing. Reinventing was like one of those words that I've never heard anybody use in their business name. So I wanted to choose something that was completely different so that when it comes to trademarking and all of this stuff, I don't have any issues because I know my business name is completely unique to me because I made it up. And you can do research on this online, just searching up like what business names people don't have. Like whatever ideas you come up with, search them up into this specific website, and then they will tell you if somebody already has it or not. Number 7, make your business legit right away. Register your business, get your EIN number, get your seller's permit, do everything you need to be legit. Number 8, open a business bank account. Do not use your personal bank account to receive your business money. Having a separate bank account will help you do accounting and know what money's coming in, what money's going out, and it'll help you for tax purposes, which is very important. You guys, this glue is so strong. Like if you drop it on yourself, you're gonna burn a little bit. But these are the decals, the little decals that I'm going to put on them, or logos, whatever you want to call it. And basically, yeah, so you just boop, boop. This plus this plus this equals really pretty. I have the colors that she requested laid down on the table. And now I'm just about to go ahead and start. Guys, so I did the first one. This is a process where you have to be very, very careful. So it does take practice to get it perfectly, not get glue anywhere, and to make sure that it's actually like stuck on the bag. It's very, very, very stuck right now, as you guys can see. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest. So this is the finished result. All of them came out perfect. And now I'm just about to put the dust bags and the clear wrap on them, but I really feel like I should just put the clear wrap because they're cuter like that. And then I'll just give the wholesale customer the dust bags on the side, just so in case she wants to use them, she can.